Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install MySQL Community Server 9.7.0 LTS on Mac. Click on Web Browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. Go to Google search. Type here. Download MySQL. Press Enter. Click on first link. MySQL download. MySQL official website is open. Scroll down. Click on MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Click on MySQL Community Server. Scroll down. Current version 9.7.0 LTS. Click drop-down list. Another version is also available. 8.4.9. 8.4.46. I will go with 9.7.0. Scroll down. If you have Mac, Apple, Silicon chips like M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. So you are going to select the first option, which is macOS 15, ARM 64-bit, DMG archives. In my case I have Intel Mac. So I am going to select second option, macOS 15 AX86 64-bit, DMG archives. Click download. Scroll down. Click no thanks, just start my download. Now the downloading is started. It is 545 megabits SQL setup. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Downloading is completed. Close web browser. Click Finder. Click Downloads. SQL Setup is here. Let's right-click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Close Downloads. Let's double-click on SQL Package. Click Close. Click Allow. Welcome to the MySQL 9.7.0 Community Installer. Click Continue. Software License Agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. Select a destination. Click Continue. This will take 719.7 megabits of space on your computer. Click Install. Type here Rohit password. Click Install Software. Now the installation in progress. It will take time. Now you will wait until the installation is completed. Please enter a password for the root user. Set the root password. Click on Finish. Type here Rohit password. Click OK. Close notification. Performing initial database setup. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to move the MySQL 9.7.0 Community Installer to the bin? In my case I don't need to save this installer. Click Move to Bin. Now once MySQL is installed, you can open the System's Settings option. Click on Apple icon. Click System Settings. Scroll down. Click MySQL. You can see green light in front of MySQL and installed instances. So we have successfully installed MySQL 9. Click on Configuration. You will see all the directories related to MySQL. Base directory, data directory, plugin directory. Now let's try to connect to our MySQL server using the terminal. Go to Spotlight. Type terminal here. Click Terminal. Type sudo. Go to MySQL configuration. Copy base directory path. Go back to terminal. Paste the copied path here. /bin /MySQL space -u space, root, space, hyphen, p. Hit enter. Type Mac admin password. Hit enter. Type SQL root password. Hit enter. Now SQL is connected on terminal. Now I am going to show you SQL default databases. Type show databases semicolon. Press enter. These are SQL default databases. Now I am going to create new database in SQL. Type create space database demo semicolon. Press enter. Now demo database is created. Type show databases semicolon. Press enter. As you can see, our database is showing. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to install MySQL on macOS. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.